Come test drive the 2009 H2. Hummer H2 performance optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including all overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.